Here at Carter Machinery, we service all makes and all models of hydraulic cylinders. The process starts when the cylinder arrives. We're going to pressure wash it and steam clean it to remove any grease, oil, or contaminants from the cylinder. Next, we're going to bring it to our hydraulic disassembly bench. The technician's going to disassemble the cylinder and also take pictures and measurements throughout the process. This information is going to be put together and delivered to the customer along with the estimate. That's going to empower the customer to be able to decide what repair option on this cylinder is the best route for them and their business.
After disassembly, barrels are brought to the honing station where they are cleaned and inspected. When scratches are found, we can hone barrels back to manufacturer specifications. But when damage is beyond repair, we can actually fabricate a brand new barrel assembly.
Now that we've finished the honing process of the barrel, we're going to bring the rod over to the polishing machine. At the polishing station, the technician is going to use the inspection software to take pictures of the rod in its current condition. The polisher is then used to remove any light scratches in the rod. It will then be inspected again. If there's any deep scratches or gouges found in the rod, we're going to suggest to the customer as a repair option to proceed with re-chroming.
All components have now been reconditioned and the cylinder is ready for reassembly. All parts are thoroughly cleaned and re-inspected, and the cylinder is installed with all new seals.
The cylinder has now been assembled, and it's time for quality inspection and also testing. In the testing process, we're going to test the cylinder under pressure to make sure that the repairs have been completed properly and that there's no leaks. Also, the customer can have the cylinder painted as an additional benefit. Turnaround time for our customers is a focus, and it's also a focus for Carter Machinery. Here at Carter, we want to get your components repaired and back to you as quickly as possible. We recognize an opportunity to reduce turnaround time even more. Here inside of our chrome shop, we now have the ability to chrome hydraulic cylinder rods in-house. This gives us increased efficiency and reduced turnaround time, giving us control of the repair process and also ensuring a high-quality finished product for our customer. The process starts where the existing chrome is removed in the stripping tank. The rod is then inspected. This is the time where if there's any welding repairs or if there's deep scratches in the rod, our welding and machine shop is going to take care of these repairs to the base material that the chrome is now going to be applied to. Now the rod is ready to go into a reverse etching process. You can think of this process as allowing the rod to open up the pores at a microscopic level. That's going to allow that new chrome material to adhere to that rod and give it the highest finish, highest durability, highest quality product for our customer. Once the reverse etching process is finished, we rinse off the chemicals at that point. Now it's ready to go over to the chroming tanks. Here the rods are lowered into the chroming tanks, and the amount of time it sits in the chroming tank is determined by a couple different factors. How much chrome needs to be applied, and also the diameter of the rod. Once the rod is finished with the chroming plate process, it's removed from the chroming baths, rinsed off. Now the technician is going to measure that rod to determine that the right amount of chrome has been applied from the top of the rod down to the bottom. When this process is complete, the rod is ready to be packaged or it's ready to be delivered back to our hydraulic shop where the cylinder can now be reassembled, it can be tested, and ready to return back to you. Carter Machinery services various types and various manufacturers of pumps, motors, and valves. What do we need to do to repair it so that it's back to like new standards? We want to give the customer repair options so that they can select what level of repair they would like to perform on the component. We also document the inspection and the disassembly of the components. We take pictures, we measure, we're also looking for the cause of failure. Once we document all the information and we have approval to proceed from the customer, we're then ready to start ordering components, repairing the ones that we can. Next, the components are going to our clean room or our assembly area. Here, the components are assembled in a very controlled environment, making sure that the components don't get any outside contaminants or exposure to dust, oil, or grease. Once completed, it heads to the test area. Here, we're going to test the component to make sure that it performs to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. After it's been tested, it heads to the paint area. Here, the component is painted so the customer knows it's reconditioned and it's ready for work. Here at Carter Machinery, we take hydraulic hose making seriously. We can make custom hydraulic hose for your equipment. Bring us your hose or order one, we can make it quickly. We make custom length, custom sizes for all different makes and models. We focus on the quality of the hose making process. We shoot foam projectiles through each hose after it's been assembled to remove any contaminants or dirt. We then cap each of the hydraulic hoses, and it's ready for you to install, putting you back to work.